Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Connecting to GitHub using Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. GitHub is a widely used platform for version control and collaborative software development. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to connect to GitHub using Python and interact with repositories using the popular PyGithub library. This tutorial assumes you have a basic understanding of Python and Git. Step 1. Install the PyGithub library. To get started, you'll need to install the PyGithub library. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Step 2. Create a personal access token on GitHub. To interact with GitHub programmatically, you'll need a personal access token. Follow these steps to create one. Copy the generated token, as you'll need it to authenticate with GitHub in your Python script. Step 3. Write Python code to connect to GitHub. Create a new Python script, example github_connection.py, and use the following code as a template. Replace your _access token with the personal access token you obtained from GitHub. The script uses the GitHub class from PyGithub to connect to GitHub, and examples are provided to get information about the authenticated user, list repositories, create a new repository, and clone an existing repository. Remember to handle your access token securely and avoid hard-coding it directly in your code for production applications. Conclusion. This tutorial covered the basics of connecting to GitHub using Python and the PyGithub library. You can extend the provided examples to perform more advanced operations based on your needs. Happy coding! ChatGPT